Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. From the screen you can see what is the stock I will be covering in this particular video. Yeah, you are right, this is Sndl, Sundial Growers. We had a massive red day in most of the stock and the ETFs, but see here what's happening here. Today Sndl was up 11% and after hours this is almost 2.64%. As we speak, it is changing, and this video is all about Sndl, why the share price is going higher, what is the trend, where it should go, and why people are predicting some bull run in recent days, because I will show you some option chain and good amount of people are betting on Sndl price in coming days. By end of the week it will go more than $1. So basically I want to share those information with you, and let me know if you know why really this is increasing, or this is just a technical side that it was like oversold, now it is time it is going up. But as we speak the share price is going higher and higher. So let's finish the video super quick so that I can release it and you can see what's going on. Anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And we just hit 3%. Anyway, so just showing you hourly chart, and we know we started our journey with Sndl from 80 cent. We went all the way to $4, came down, and these are old histories. But what happened? 0.9 was like a very good support for Sndl, and we broke 0.9 and we went down, but after that we are coming back on a 1 hour chart. See, we moved sideways for some time and we said enough is enough, now it's time to go up, and you see the big candles here and we are going higher. Even if we move to a 15-minute chart, it looks really nice. It looks really nice. Like if I just draw a trend here, it looks really nice, because this is not only today. Actually the trend started from last Friday. You see, we came down, then we are grinding up and up, we are making higher lows, which is a very good sign. And today we went over that 0.9, came down, and again we were able to go over that 0.9 resistance. Now the important thing is, as long we can maintain 0.9 as a support, that's a very bullish sign for this particular stock, because from 0.9 the next leg will go up. If we look at RSI and MACD, let's see what's happening on a 15-minute chart. You see, like we were oversold, below 30 is oversold, we were around 21, then we are going higher. You see the MACD, how it is moving. Even I moved to a daily chart here, what you can see, the RSI came down all the way close to like 35, and today it was up, pointing upward. And even MACD here, you see the blue line is about to curve here, right? The blue line is about to curve, and the green and the red bars are smaller here. So it means that probably there is a potential reversal of the chart pattern. So most probably the blue line will cross and go higher, the RSI will go higher, and the share price will go higher. So these are all we are predicting in coming days. And before I show you the option volume, let's look at some other things for some support and resistance. Let's move to a 15-minute chart if you want to do a day trade or something. So let's look at the chart pattern here, right? So some obvious point is 0.9 is one point here, right? After 0.9, I think this is another level, which is around 1.1. I think once we cross that 0.9, then we need to test that 1.1, and we have another one around here, 1.2, and you can go on. If you're really doing a short-term trade, then maybe you can also look around this area, around $1. So 0.9 to $1, and let's see what we are doing. We are currently 0.96. so let's see if we can hold 0.9. Then if you want to think about the small steps, then maybe around 1, then 1.1, then 1.2. Because these are from a 15-minute chart, you can see how these are acting as a resistance here. But seems like it will go higher, because I'm long on Sndl. I'm holding a lot of share and I accumulated a lot of shares, so most probably it will go higher. We will see how far we can go, but at least we should go to 1.65 at least, right? So I was trying to find like why happening, and I see ACB, OGI, and Afria, they were hired today, and they were saying that because there was a recent merger with Afria and Tilray, and 99% of voters actually approved the merger plan. Also the OGI release came, and those could be some other news. Sndl could be a sympathy play, or Sndl could have his own merit to go higher and higher. Let's look at the chart pattern here. So for April 23rd expiry date, you can see that today like 139,000 call options were closed, but still there are 66,000 call options are waiting to get Sndl share price around 1.08. So the strike price is 1, the premium is 0.08, meaning that the break even is 1.08. So still these people are waiting Sndl will go to 1.08. These people, 51,000 people, wow, there is still waiting Sndl will go to 1.53 in next 4 days. That's impressive. So we will see why. If I look April 30th here, still you can see a lot of people they're betting that by April 30th Sndl will go to 1.11. 34,000 call options sitting here, they're predicting 1.54. Let's look at the volume today. So the average volume is 187 million shares, and today's volume was 281 million. So you can see that today we had a lot of volume coming into Sndl, which is a good sign, and because of that the share price was going higher and higher. I also look at marketchameleon.com, and I was just looking at unusual daily volume trading spike, and Sndl was also listed here. You can see Sndl. So total volume was today was 405,000, and out of 4, and whereas the 90-day volume is around 293. So compared to 293, today the volume was 405,000. That's a lot. And within 405, the breakdown is like 374,000 was call option, and the put was only 31,000, meaning that there is a big difference. Like almost 92% people are bullish on Sndl will go higher, and only 7.8% people are thinking Sndl will go down. Also look at the relative volume, and this is 1.38. So anything over 1 is really good, and this is currently 1.38. So people are betting that Sndl will go higher, and definitely there is something is cooking, right? And that is why like all the options are waiting there. I also look at some other indicators here. So most active stock option here for today, and you can still see Sndl sitting at 392,000. Previously I found 374, but anyway 392, and this is like 1 2 3 4 5. So currently sitting at number 5 for most active stocks traded today. So number 1 is Apple, Tesla, Neo, Globe, and then Sndl. So something is going on. You see the option activity here. People are betting that it will go higher end of the week, and currently we had a massive spike today, and maybe we will go higher because they are predicting it will go close to 1.05 or 1.08. So we will see. But look at the price action, like we need to maintain 0.9. 1.9 is maintained, then maybe 1, but 1 might not be a very big resistance, but definitely 1.1 seems like a good resistance, and maybe that is why people are betting it will go up to 1.08 or something. So anyway my friends, if you know why is happening, or if there is any kind of news that comes for Sndl, then I will make another video, or I will just post on my Twitter, so you will all know what's happening. But I just wanted to bring you to you because we do not know what's happening. So just wanted to make this video just to show you that what's happening with the price action, what is happening with the call option activity and everything, and why people are betting this share price will go higher and higher. So anyway my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I have a Twitter page. You can join with the same name, the Stock Analyst. You can join there, and normally I keep a daily update when I make some trade, or if I see a good pattern, then I just take a picture and I upload, so you can also get some benefit from there. So anyway my friends, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Have a wonderful evening. Take care and peace.